Welcome to day 9 of my day trading diary, where I share my watch list and analyze my trades for you to learn from. Today is the 21st of August 2023, and if we have a look at the market, it pulled back a bit on Friday. However, I still expect it to go lower. Maybe it's gonna pull back a bit more today for it to go lower. The market is gonna open in 10 minutes, so let's go over my watch list real quick. First, we have Tesla, which did this huge move into this area here, and now is gapping up, and it also had increasing volume. So if it comes back to this area, I would be interested, and the target is up here. Next one is Uber, which is gapping over these previous days, and my target would be up here. And the last one on the long watch is DHT, which did this consolidation, and it looks like it's gonna break out. My target would be up here. This area here is concerning. However, it moved right through it multiple times this past year, so it should have a smooth room to this area up here. On the short side, we have PLTR, which broke down out of this consolidation, and I'm looking for it to retest it and short up here, and my target would be the low of the previous day. Same thing for Apple, consolidated, broke down, and now I'm looking for the retest to short. AMD put in an even better consolidation, and if it's gonna retest up here, I'm looking to short it back to this area here and the low of yesterday. Shopify, pretty much same thing, consolidated a bit, broke down, looking for a retest, and Shopify has this plus that this is a huge gap with a lot of void, so my target would be up here. And J&J is on my short watch as it's gapping down out of this consolidation, and if it's gonna reach this again, which I'm not really confident in, but if it's gonna reach it up here, I'm looking for a short entry with room to this pivot here. But yeah, as I said, I'm not gonna expect it to retest up here, but I'm gonna put in my alert regardless. And yeah, so the market is gonna open up in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna set my alerts real quick, and then I'll see you guys back after the market session. Alright, so the market just closed, and as I said, and as I expected, the market pulled back a bit more. And maybe we're actually gonna retest this area up here like I expected it to do a few days ago. I took 4 trades today, and let's go over them now. So the first one was on DHT. I really like DHT as a long idea, and as it was retesting the low of the day, I put in my order under the low of the day into the liquidity, and my stop loss under this closing area here. And then I added on this 2-minute breakout here and raised my stop loss to here. However, it didn't really matter as it went sideways the rest of the day. And my average cost was 10.09, and that's what I had to close it at the end of the day for break even. Another trade I took on the long side was Uber. I traded this 2-minute candle as it broke down out of this descending triangle and closed back in it, grabbed the liquidity down here, and I entered at this green candle, put my stop loss under here, as it also meant that it's gonna break this trend line. So I actually really liked this trade, however it didn't work out, unfortunately. And then I took one trade on the short side on Shopify. If we have another look on the daily chart, I just really like this area to short here. And as it was approaching that area, I was trading this 15-minute topping tail like this. As I also wanted it to take out these candles before. And my target was down here. So this area here was concerning. However, I expected it to get rejected way more. But it bounced at this area as the market was pretty strong today. And I basically had to close it at the end of the day for break even as well. So it's about minus 1 hour for me today, and this is starting to get pretty frustrating as I try to find stocks that move independent from the market. But if the market does daily moves like this, pretty much everything moves with the market. Usually it's about 80% of the stocks that move with the market, but right now it feels like it's 95%, which makes it really hard for me to find good trade ideas. But yeah, I'm still positive I'm gonna find better trades these coming days. And if we have a look at the rest of my watch lists, on the long side, Tesla was a really good idea. However, I didn't reach my area as it immediately went up. AMD unfortunately didn't hold. However, I still expect it to go lower these coming days, probably overnight. And PLTR didn't reach this breakdown area. Apple didn't reach this breakdown area. Maybe tomorrow. And J&J immediately dropped and didn't retest this breakdown area, but I didn't really expect it to. I just had it on my watch list just in case. So that's it for today, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.